In this video lecture, we are going to create a project under method overriding in Java. So go ahead and create this. I have already done that, and I believe you have known how to create a package and a class name. Then in method overriding, we need to create more classes where one class extends to the other class. Let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to say class first. Then we want to create another class again, and we're going to call this class second. So class second is going to extend to first. Okay, so now we need to override what we have in the first using the second class, and let's go ahead and create a simple example. Let's initialize some variables, int x and y. Let's say int x, y, put a semicolon at the end, and here we're going to create, let's say, hello int a and int b. So inside here we're going to say that x is equal to a and y is equal to b. Or let's make this to be first. So this is first and not hello. Why did I actually put that? So this is the constructor. First is in the same thing with the name of the class, and we are going to create a method inside this class, and let that method, let's call it void display. Void display. So inside void display, we're going to say system.out.println. We're going to display for x. Let's say the content of x is going to be equal to plus x, because x is equal to a, and go ahead and copy this and do that for y exactly. So go ahead and press this and change the values to y respectively. Okay, then what we need to do now is, let's go over to class 2, that is second class, and see how to override the first class that we created. Okay, so I'm going ahead and say int c. So I declare a variable called int c, and I'm going to say second int. We're still going to give this int a, int b, and let's say int c. Okay, so come over here, and we are going to create a super of a and b, super ab, put a semicolon at the end, and okay, I initialize int c here, So I'm going to call this int z because I have int c also initialized inside here. So I'm going to say int z is equal to c. Put a semicolon at the end, and this will override the first one. Okay, so go ahead and put your method void display and inside void display we're going to use a super dot display. So this calls the first display here. It calls the first display under the first class, and let's go ahead and say system.out.println system.out.println, and let's this be under. So system.out.println, and we are going to call this z. So go ahead and put z because z is equal to c, and x and y are equal to a and b respectively. So now we have overriding this, the first one. Okay, so this method, this is used to override this one we have here. So let's go ahead and move over here and create a public class, a public method. I'm gonna say public static void main, and this text string x. Okay, and here we want to display and our content, and I'm going to say second. So you create a constructor second, and let this be sc second equal to new second. So we create a method with the second class, and let this be new second, and let's put some values in here for this a, b, c, and I'm going to put them like let's say 100, 200, and 300. So go out there and put a semicolon at the end, and here we are going to use the object sc dot display. So we want to display the content, so this we call the display under the second class. Okay, so let's go ahead and move over here and reconfigure this, and this is project 9, and save this, and go ahead and search the main class method overriding and hit OK. Apply this and run this. So yeah, you can see that half x is 100 and y is 200 and z is 300. So this is method overriding, and you can go ahead and put it down. So if you want to know more about method overriding, you check out complete Java programming masterclass 0 to mastery. You will learn more about Java method overriding there. We explained it. Here we are just building projects under what we've learned so far, and I believe that you can be able to create more projects under method overriding. Okay, so you go ahead and put this in down, and if you have any question, please try to use the question and answer section, and I'm always going to get back to you as soon as possible. So thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.